Hey everybody, it's Mark from the Geek Church, and today we've got a keyboard. This is the Epomaker, I think I might be pronouncing that right, Magcore 87. Let's open this up and try it out, see how it goes. Okay, so basically I don't really know much about this company. I think it's based out of China. Anyway, I may have seen them at CES, and I might have said like, hey, can I review that? They probably said yes, and well, that's how I do my job. And you probably know this part about my job, where I start unboxing. Here's the manual, and here is the keyboard itself. Now, honestly, I actually thought this keyboard was going to be white because of what I saw. Looks like it's black. So, hey, I guess there's a surprise for anything. It is heavy as lead. I am actually surprised at how heavy this keyboard is, but hello. I definitely like this. Look at this. Got some glowing things here. Did not expect that at all. I'm not really certain what I expected. Anyway, is there anything on this that might be, it's got the plug in there. So yeah, guess the only thing we can do is plug it in. Oh, we should probably look at what else is in the box here. Okay, if I'm right, this is probably just a charging cord. As far as anything else, I don't really see what else could be in the box. Now, I don't know if this is a wireless keyboard. I'm going to suggest, I'm going to say probably not. So let's just say, okay, it's a wired connection. So we know that for sure. As far as it would surprise me if it does turn wireless on me, but who knows? Anyway, check this out. You got some little key things here to replace those little things here. Those are pretty cool. I don't really how to do that though. Okay, and we have an Allen wrench to do that and stuff. And here we have, oh hey, check it out. Remember those keys that are transparent that I showed you just earlier? You can replace them with solid ones if you want. So hey, that's a bonus. Do I want to do that? I don't know how intricate I want to get on this. And we'll see. Let's just get the cord out so I can start using it. Yeah. Oh, hey, we also got one of these. Yeah, once again, do I really want to... I don't know. Is that required of me to do that when I review a keyboard? Normally I just plug it in and just try it out, and it's like, oh, that sounds good. And I even type the article with it because I'm just cool like that. So, yeah. Okay, so I got this in plugged in, so let's plug it in here, and we'll see how it feels. Now, wouldn't it be funny if I just typed the article on here just by looking at this here? I didn't really think about that, but, I mean, I could do that. Okay, something that I'm starting to see here is the glowing of the keys. And they glow very well, don't they? Oh, they very much glow. Okay, that was phrased awkwardly, but you hear what I'm saying. You're seeing this glow here. Yeah, I'm going to see how I can change the lighting, because that's pretty cool. Man, this is heavy, just trying to carry it like this. How much does this weigh? Oof. Okay, so this might not turn out to be the best way to demonstrate this product, but I'm going to try this anyway. Okay, so by holding down this FN key, and then using certain things, you can do interesting little things. For example, you can turn on and off the backlights with the backspace key, which, okay, guess that's, all right, now it's on. Okay, and then toggle backlight RGB effects with the insert key. Where is that? Ah, here we go. Okay, all right, so we got some interesting ones going on there. Might have to get some separate wheel on that one. Yeah, I'm not sure how the lighting is doing on this. And do these transparent keys help demonstrate that? I'm not sure. But I like it for sure. Okay, so we can also do page up with the backlight effects. So page up, anything? Yeah, this is really hard to tell with what I'm doing here. Oh boy, yeah, there are some things going on here. If I cut my lights off and then did this that way, would that help? I don't know. I might need to get some separate shots of this. You know what? I think I'm just going to do that. So, okay, there's a way I can demonstrate it. Let's see. Okay, that's one way. Ooh, cool. Hey, that looks cool. Not bad. Okay, also cool. Whoa. Very cool. That was... Okay, we can do quite a lot. Okay, in addition to those really cool like lighting effects on your screen, this can also do some interesting other things as well. Like if I hit this FN key and I hit F4, I'm told this will open up a calculator on the screen, and it does. So hey, that's actually kind of cool. And this is also good for, oh shoot, you can do like volume up, volume down, like previous track. And like if I wanted to hit my computer, which I actually go to a lot because I'm always moving around files. Okay, there's some good shortcuts on this. This is a great product to have. Let's find out some other stats. Okay, so we have a TKL full function layout. I have no idea what that is, and I don't even know what TKL stands for. Gonna have to put that in the report. So they have inductive switches for the stable performance. This is a gaming keyboard. I don't know why most gaming keyboards that have had to review always tend to have nice rainbow lighting on them for some reason. I guess that's a requirement. So when you're gaming in the dark, you can see, I guess? I don't know. I'm gonna just do some stuff with the backlighting here. There we go. Okay, I got myself a really sweet lighting thing with that going on there, although you can't really see it very well. Anyway, so you can toggle it to whatever you like. Depends on your certain preferences you've got. So yeah. Okay, so TKL stands for 10 keyless. So yeah. So oh yeah, there's no 10 key here. If that's a deal breaker for you, honestly, I'm thinking that the qualities of this thing might make it a deal maker, really. This is something to be, I wouldn't say coveted, but it's definitely a nice keyboard. Albeit very, very heavy. Oh man, it's so heavy. Why is it so heavy? I've reviewed other keyboards like this that are not near as heavy as this. I shouldn't be complaining about this because, I mean, after all, you're going to be carrying around, you're not really going to be carrying around something like this. Now, unless like one of your professional gamers and you like go take this to, I don't know, some LAN party or something at a gaming convention. I mean, and again, I'm not really in that scene, so yeah, I'm not fit to really judge on this. But I do like a lot of this stuff with the adjustable actuation, and yeah, we can do a lot of great stuff here. And what else can we do here? I kind of wonder, like, why they didn't have like a dongle on this thing and make it wireless? I'm not really certain. If it just feels so heavy and stuff, and if it's heavy, I always think there's just so much stuff inside it. But hey, I shouldn't be complaining about that. So, okay, so besides the article, I think I've talked at length about this thing. So what's the price? Well, it's about $199.99 on the Epomaker site. And I have to admit, it's not, like I said, time of recording, it's not yet available yet. So it's available there for pre-order. So chances are you can get it at that price right now. But I think I'm just going to, you know what? I think I'm going to type out my report on this. I think we can do. So this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church signing off.